Welcome to Fashion Explosion! Meet the contestants, Genevieve, Mary, Atlantis, Chile, and Magellan! I'm your host, Tom Rifle. The contestants are waiting for the next challenge in the Fashion Explosion Glam Glam Lounge.
You really don't understand. What?
You're the loser because I'm gonna win.
No, I don't believe so. Because Vogue for 2 weeks, and I got to meet Anna Wintour, and it was like the most. And I know that. Finally! Did you hear that? Oh, keep that.
Fashion contestants, please report to the challenge room immediately!
When that thing started spinning, I thought it was going to turn into a spaceship or something.
It was rather obvious that it was just Tom Rifle, but with a globe in front of his head.
And this is going to be your very first international challenge! No way!
And this was going to be an international challenge. Yeah, there was a globe. And they do this segment every single season.
Each one of you are going to come up here and pick a country from, you guessed it, the Glam Glam Lipstick Fashion Bag! Settle down! And then you'll have to make a piece of hot fashion inspired by the country you chose! I hope I get a good one. I got camera stand! Oh my, how exotic! So, I'm really excited I got camera stand. I believe it's where the first camera was invented. It's giving me some great ideas.
I better get a good one. Oh. Monaco.
Sophisticated.
I read online once that Angelina Jolie went to Monaco, and I love Angelina Jolie and those glam lips of hers. So I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be eliminated anytime soon.
I better not screw this up. Egypt, I didn't know that was still a country.
Oh, that's a fun one. Walk like an Egyptian indeed there, champ.
This is going to be fun. I was hoping to get a make-believe place. Narnia would have been better, but this'll work.
Wow, this is amazing! Wow, I got 2 countries.
Double trouble indeed.
I'm pretty sure I saw this country on House Hunters International, and so I'm pretty sure I haven't invented this challenge. Yeah!
Okay, let's get this over with. The Caribbean?
Ooh, sunshine and pina coladas. Yum yum.
First of all, the Caribbean isn't even a country. And let's be realistic. Once we get to judging, these dum-dums will long have forgotten what the challenge is supposed to be.
Okay, gang. Ears open, listen up, because you guys are gonna have 1 full day to make your outfit inspired by the country that you chose from the Glam Glam Lipstick Fashion Bag. Oh my! The clock is ticking, so chop chop, my fashionista friend, and go to the Fashion Explosion Creation Studio!
Ridiculous.
Your outfit is ridiculous.
Oh my god, you took the good fabric.
What are you thinking up for your fashion? I'm having a hard time coming up with something.
It's quite simple. Something provocative. Something amazing. Something shameful. Something rewarding. Something that screams, fashion has arrived.
Wait, but I'm not sure what to do. My nose is so runny that I can't even think straight.
Magellan says go with what you know.
What you making?
I'm creating high fashion.
Neat. High fashion is really neat.
No, high fashion is amazing. It is simply amazing, and I'm completely and utterly dumbfounded that you have not realized that, and that you have not realized that what I'm creating is the best, because I am the best.
I know. I don't have any ideas.
Well, my oh my, Mary, what are you doing?
Well, I got 2 countries, and you said double trouble. That got me thinking. Why don't I just smash a bunch of stuff together and create an amazing fashion explosion?
Ooh, fabulous idea, because you're probably the front runner in the competition!
Found all these neat little fabrics.
What are you gonna do with them?
Well, I just thought of smashing them together.
Well, that's a fantabulous idea, Mary, because that's all what fashion is. Just a bunch of stuff smashed together by a huge price tag.
Fashion explosion.
Well, that's because I need it.
Okay, no, you don't, because I'm gonna...
No, I'm going.
Oh, I need the black.
So, Magellan, tell me about this interesting batch of intriguing.
Well, I got camera stand for my country, so I decided to pull a classic and do the Hasselblad 500 as a costume.
Oh, very nice decision. But why did you go for this shade of black?
To take on the 1965 look when the Hasselblad 500 was made.
Well, that's very interesting. I came here to learn about fashion and got a fun fact. Looks like your sugar boy will be able to take some snap pics down the runway.
I'm really excited that he likes what I'm doing. I think I might really win, because this is going to take some pictures down the runway and then go right to the club.
Whoa! You almost gave me a heart attack because... Tell me about this. This is fabulous.
Okay, so I think I'm doing pretty well here, but the only problem that I'm having is I keep having all these brilliant ideas, and I don't know when to stop.
Oh, tell me about it, girl. So, when you pulled Monaco out of the Glam Lipstick fashion bag, I wanted to jump right into this challenge and work right with you.
I know. Do you want to hear what I'm doing?
Why not?
Okay, so when I saw this fabulous, spectacular, beautiful obsidian fabric, I knew I just had to make a garment out of it. So my thought is that it's going to be a spectacular image and homage to the Mediterranean Sea over Monte Carlo.
Very nice. Mind if I feel your garment?
Of course. Don't rub your face, please.
Oh, it's very silky.
It is though.
Quite nice, but you used the word spectacular in your description twice.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to use it a third time, because your idea is spectacular!
I know, right?
Bum, bum, bum. Oh, what's going on here, Atlantis?
Well, I am trying to make an outfit that embodies the spirit of the Caribbean.
Atlantis, you need to ask yourself the following question. Would a woman on the go want to wear this to work? I don't think I would. I don't think I could answer in the affirmative.
No one said anything about a woman on the go.
Well, Atlantis, fashion never leaves anybody behind, so you gotta be ready to go. Don't be afraid to be stupid.
Well, that was completely confusing and nonsensical, like this whole entire show. You know, if he wants something stupid, that's what he's gonna get.
So, Chile, tell me what's cooking in the fashion world today.
Well, my country was the magical land of Egypt, and I'm pretty sure the king of Egypt was a mummy.
Ooh, I'm starting to get scared.
Yes. Oh, I found this wonderful fabric. I'm going for a whole mummy shake thing.
Well, very interesting idea, trick or treat. But I think you should, splash it up with a shot of color. Because mummies like to be stylish too. Yummy mummy.
I was glad that Tom Rifle was digging my idea. Now I have to figure out a way to make this mummy a stylish mummy.
Jeepers creepers, look at the time. 5 minutes to runway. 5 minutes to runway.
Tell me about your creation, Magellan.
So I ran right into the challenge, and I chose one of the most iconic things of the 20th century. A camera. Click.
I see, I love the retro look.
Tell us more about the material. Well, people really don't think that cardboard is a high fashion material. I disagree. I used it because it looks really nice and it gives it that boxy shape that I'm going for.
I could see this at the boardroom or at the club. Practical and stylish.
Oh, correct. I feel like you really nailed this challenge because your outfit is quite provocative and quite boxy. You really must be Magellan because I can see this outfit sailing all over the world.
Wow, wow, wow. Tell us about this, Chili.
That's Chile, not chili.
1,000 pardons, sir. Please go on.
Well, I was stuck and couldn't quite think what to do, but I have to thank Magellan for the idea. I discovered this wonderful mural fabric that comes in these super cute little rolls.
I love the way you pulled this together. It's so practical. You can even take it to the bathroom.
Ooh, tinkle time!
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. Unsteady yet intriguing enough to get a few stares.
I love the way he incorporates his chronically runny nose into this. So gross, yet so intriguingly fun.
Oh, indeed. I gotta be honest with you, Chili, though. I love it! I would not be surprised if everybody in Egypt is wearing this in 6 months.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. It's always wonderful when an amazing idea goes from my head to reality.
Now this is dramatic. Tell us about this Genevieve.
I call it the Monaco Angel.
Is it named after
Me? Perhaps.
Wow, you sure do know how to score points with the judges. Tell us more.
Well, I would call this look dramatic and flexible because it's basically just one big chic piece of fabric. And you can take it wherever you go and you can wear it whenever you like and you can do whatever you want with it.
Wow. I almost fell out of my chair. No, seriously. I did.
Oh my goodness, me too.
Well, me, 3. And darling, I never fall in my chair.
Wouldn't surprise me if the Queen of Monaco would want one of these. Well done.
Indeed.
Oh my god!
Now look at this. Wow. Tell me about this, Mary.
Well, for a long time I didn't know what to do. But then I had this amazing idea where I just throw a bunch of stuff together and create an amazing fashion explosion.
Wow, you know, geniuses make it look so easy. I wish I had that confidence. What do you think, Angel?
I love it. I want to look here, then I want to look there. I don't know what to look first. And I absolutely love it. Thank you, I'm so excited.
Well, darling, what can I say to you? Because when you have it, you have it.
She obviously has
Fascinating explosion. Tell us about this Atlantis.
You know, my name isn't really Atlantis. It's Amy. But you guys made me change it for the show because apparently Amy isn't pretentious enough for you guys.
Now tell us about the outfit, Atlantis.
Well, I started to work on a real outfit, and then I decided I did not want to be here anymore. So I started to make a bad outfit. I found this crown and these eyebrows, or whatever these are, and I put it together and here it is.
it. Wow, talk about making a statement. You really nailed this challenge.
100% agree. It's like I've been put into a time machine and been thrown into the future.
Oh, that is the perfect way to describe it. Thank you, Angel. You're my angel. And guess what? This outfit was spectacular because you always see young designers do way too much. You really mastered this. So this earned my Tom Rifle wink. Wink.
Oh, Tom. This is a breath of fresh air. You've made our jobs very difficult.
Ugly.
Oh, I know.
Well, I love all of them. You know, I'm just falling in love here.
Yeah, we should probably just keep going.
We have all reached our final decision. I'm gonna be a gentleman. Angel, please do the honors.
Thanks, Tom. Well, after debating this for over 6.5 hours, we have made our decision. You are all going to be on the show forever!
Oh, fantabulous!
You all did such a great job. We couldn't decide, so this is how we made the solution.
You know what? I never want to say goodbye to any of you.
Give me Tom wink.
Wink, wink, wink.
Oh, Tom.
Something like that.
I don't like this show.